Hi everyone, today we're going to just clean the fronts of the cattle sheds out. I'm going to use the grab, check the oil on the tractor, get hitched up, and I'll explain a little bit more about what we're doing in a minute when we get going. What we're planning to do is we won't clean the whole shed out, we just clean the fronts out by the doors and sort of back a piece around where we're going to feed, just up to that second bay there. And we always leave this back here because it's like clean and it drains out, and we find it stays cleaner if we keep bedding up that bit, as long as it's sort of cleaner where they eat and around the door. Their feet are clean then, and then they don't make the beds so dirty. So yeah, so that's just sort of what we do. It's the first time we've cleaned anything out of here since they've been in. Well, the cow's been in since we weaned them. Had loads of rain. It's the 5th of January today, and it's so wet out here, it's unbelievable. We're going to tip this dung outfield now. We don't spread anything through the winter usually. What we'll do is we can sort of leave it tipped up and compost, and then spread it later on when it's been composted. Feeding the fodder beet outfield to the sheep, taking it out with the tractor and bucket, but where they're eating it, it's just like wet, too wet really. Hoping to go to the llama show next week, on Tuesday probably, which will be the first day. Haven't been since 2019, I suppose it must have been. That must have been the last one before COVID, I suppose. Didn't go to the one this year back in the summer. or May I think it was. So it'd be quite nice to go there and have a look around. I normally go with my mate, just go here, leave here early in the morning on the day, and about 4 hours from here approximately, 250 miles I think. So it's quite a long way, but it's all good roads really, so it shouldn't be too bad. Quite looking forward to it really. Right, I'm going to just scrape up out here a minute. Probably do all the fronts of all these sheds this morning. Dad's gone to tip the trailer, so while he's doing that, I will bed up the shed. And we'll have another load out in a minute when he gets back. They're all back in and done, eating their corn. We'll do it we'll clean the fronts out now every sort of 2-3 weeks. It's normally what we do. Right, on to the next shed. There's the grab again. That's all the fronts of the sheds cleaned out, so that should be right now for a few weeks. I'll gonna wash my grab off. You can always wash it off after it's used if you don't use it that often through the winter. It's just handy when we want to clean out the sheds and stuff, so yeah, get that washed off. And that'll be that. That'll be that speeding up done for today. So that's another day done. Got to move the fence in a minute for the other cattle and shut them back in. The ones that are out on the rake. Yeah, as I was saying earlier, I'm going to go to Llama hopefully next Tuesday, which says first day. That should be alright. Nice little trip out. Sort of takes about 4 hours to get there from here, so go and have a look around. Don't think I'll make a video or anything like that, but maybe some pictures on Instagram, something like that. I'm on Instagram, I haven't been putting that much stuff on there, but I might start trying to put a few more pictures and stuff on. So it's Farmer Cornwall on Instagram, the same as the title for the YouTube channel. So maybe have a look over there, and as I say, I might put some pictures on from Llama. Sorted out the sheep yesterday because they're coming up to lambing in about 5 weeks time, so gave them their vaccinations. That's the first group, and we'd sort of lamb in 2 groups, so there'll be another lot later on. Yeah, so just sort of winter work really. It's too wet to do any field work. We've got some ploughing to do, but it's too wet for that, so I'll have to wait for a day or 2. Right, I'll finish this video off here. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some other stuff soon. I've got some footage of a repair job I did on a feeder for a friend and neighbour, so I might make that into a video. And what else have I got? I might have a look at the winter barley inundating that we drilled late, so you can have a look at that and see what you think. It's looking alright, and we're quite pleased with it. As I say, I'll do a video of that and show you, and you see what you think. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another one soon.